everybody, it's Paula here.
Hi, it's Noel here.
Welcome to Love and Share. And today our topic is about Lumispa and Lumispa bundles. The reason why we are recommending you to share these 3 bundles of Lumispa is because number 1, Lumispa is a facial cleansing and renewal device that you use in the shower. So after you use the Lumispa and the cleansing gel, what next after you dry your face?
So the first package that we're gonna talk about, it comes with a spa machine and then a cleansing gel and one of my favorite product, which is called the Saltrax Recovery Fluid. So this is one of the top selling products in Hong Kong and worldwide as well. So what makes this product really good is that it has a lot of extra virgin olive oil extract, which is from the Mediterranean. As you can see, the texture is actually very thin, and it's gonna absorb it like very quickly. Saltrax recovery fluid is actually very good for fighting against the free radicals, and it's actually a very great like hydrating product. So for example, for people who have like very dry skin or they need a kick of like hydration, like Saltrax recovery fluid is definitely the first one that you have to go for. And this package is actually targeting all those millennials with a very young skin. Second package that I'm gonna talk about, it comes with the Lumispa and the cleansing gel, as well as the Saltrax. Yes, but then it has like something more exciting, and that is the Lumi Accent, and as well as the eye cream. So Accent is actually a new treatment head, which is targeting our wrinkle, our eye bag, and the pigmentation around our eyes. And for this, for the eye cream, this is actually really good for your dark circle under your eye. And it has like tea green, it has caffeine inside the eye cream for you to brighten up the skin around your eyes. Yes. So the third package that we're gonna talk about is actually for the premier level. So again, it comes with the Lumispa, then the cleansing gel, and then as well as a new product, which is the Saltrax mask. And then there's also one product, which is the blue pearls. So this is actually a product it's gonna heal your skin very well. So the reason behind is that it has like shea butter, which moisturize and improve your skin ability to maintain moisture.
Just like the Lumispa, which is called Age-Lock Lumispa. This is called Age-Lock True Face Essence Ultra. And the reason why it's Age-Lock is our premium proprietary blend of anti-aging ingredients that we have in our company. So when you open it like this, they look like little pearls. They're so cute, and each one of these are packed with peptide and ethylene, and ethylene is clinically proven is one of the key ingredients for firm skin. So this thing, just one itself, can contour and firm the skin for more youthful experience. This is also called the V-Face secret weapon.
Exactly.
The most incredible kit is actually number 3 with the treatment gel, Lumispa, and afterward you can put on this amazing 27 ml serum mask plus the True Face Essence Ultra, which only is available in our company.
We hope the information that we just shared it's gonna be useful to you guys. So love and share
because you care. See you next time.
Yay!